Here's an idea for you. Your circles define your standards. My name is Jasper Steinhausen, and this is Outside Perspective, where, as usual, I bring you perspectives on issues in the intersection between business and strategy. So, what do I mean by your circles define your standards? Well, the people that you hang out with, that's the norm. They define what is normal for you, right? So if you are a leader of a manufacturing company, like most of you are, and perhaps you're trying to build this force for good company, or you have engaged in some sort of really big, hairy, audacious goal, it's really about innovation. It's about business development. It's about change management. It's about daring to do new things. But if the peers you have in various networks and groups and whatever you do are just running business the regular way and not taking these types of risks, not taking on such a daunting tasks, well, then that's going to be the norm, and you will feel like you're just pushing a huge battle. It's so important to get around the right kind of people. I'm recording this from Sauze in northern Italy, where I am here with a group of 45 successful entrepreneurs. And we work with each other and we encourage each other, and it just defines a norm where everybody writes a book, everybody makes huge partnerships, and so on and so on and so on. So it sets the standard, it defines the norm, it keeps me on my toes. And that's what I mean when I say your circles define your standards. So it's important that you look critically at the ones that you today has as your nearest group of peers, and make sure that you get yourself aligned with people where innovation, business development, taking risk, raising money, so on and so on, is completely normal. Whether they do it in the same space as you do or focus on sustainability, or perhaps it's just a matter of innovation or startup or scale up, that's not so important. It's more the matter that you get yourself around people that has the kind of standard that supports the journey you're on. I hope this is useful, and let me know if it is, or if you have any comments or questions, please just put them in the comments below. And of course, I would like a like and a subscribe. That would be amazing. And I'll see you in another episode. Thank you. Bye.